Okay, so I'm looking at science experiments for inspiration. So get some matches, pencil, wrap it up in foil, twist it, put it in a frozen glass. Ooh, you light it and it makes smoke. That's amazing. They're pouring it out. Oh my goodness. Cold smoke pours like liquid. Right, on this, I'm definitely gonna try this. Is this a science fail or is this gonna work? Let's see.
So I've got my ingredients, I'm guessing. So I need a frozen glass, a pencil, some tin foil and some matches. So I'm going to put them all together and I'm going to roll it. So it didn't really say how much to roll, but I'm guessing roll it enough. Let's roll it 1, 2, that'll be enough. Okay. Oh my goodness, you know what, I really hope this works because I'm excited. I hope you're excited for me that this is going to work. Okay, so then what we do, I'm going to put these aside. We take the pencil out, twist the end like this, and then we put this in the glass and then we light it. Okay, so nothing is happening yet. Do you know what? These videos that I'm watching, I swear they're lying because why is nothing working? Whoa! Okay. Okay, you ready? Wow! Oh my goodness. That actually works. That is definitely a science win. Yay! Finally.